The revelations of the Cloyne Report have brought the government, Irish Catholics and the Vatican to an unprecedented juncture. It's fair to say that after the Ryan and the Murphy reports, Ireland is perhaps unshockable when it comes to the abuse of children. But Cloyne has proved to be of a different order. Because for the first time in this country, a report into child sexual abuse exposes an attempt by the Holy See to frustrate an inquiry in a sovereign democratic republic as little as 3 years ago, not 3 decades ago. And in doing so, the Cloyne Report excavates the dysfunction, the disconnection, the elitism that dominate the culture of the Vatican today. The rape and the torture of children were downplayed or managed to uphold instead the primacy of the institution, its power, its standing, and its reputation. Far from listening to evidence of humiliation and betrayal with St Benedict's ear of the heart, the Vatican's reaction was to parse and analyse it with the gimlet eye of a canon lawyer. This calculated, withering position being the polar opposite of the radicalism, the humility, and the compassion upon which the Roman Church was founded. The radicalism, the humility, and the compassion, which are the very essence of its foundation and its purpose. The behaviour being a case of Roma lacuta est, causa finita est. Except in this instance, Cancorla, nothing could be further from the truth. Cloyne's revelations are heartbreaking. It describes how many victims continue to live in the small towns and parishes in which they were reared and in which they were abused. Their abuser, often still in the area and still held in high regard by their families and their community. The abusers continued to officiate at family weddings and funerals. In one case, the abuser even officiated at the victim's own wedding. There is little that I or anyone else in this house can say to comfort that victim or others, however much we want to. But we can and do recognise the bravery and the courage of all of the victims who told their stories to the Commission. While it will take a long time for Cloyne to recover from the horrors uncovered, it could take the victims and their families a lifetime to pick up the pieces of their shattered existence, if ever they do.